Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to cancel your subscriptions on Shopify. Now with that being said, first things first, let's head on to your computer browser. And next, let's go to the Shopify website. And once you've done that, just log in into your Shopify account. Next is to go to your store, and right here, this is my store. I'm just gonna click on my store. And first things first, all you have to do is go to your account settings right here and click on Manage Account. Now these are the general settings, so these are your details, your login services and your stores, and your preferred language which you chose, and the time zone where you are currently at. Now all you have to do is to discard this one, and let's go to the security settings. This is where you will do something. So under the security settings, just go to two-step authentication and make sure that it is turned off right here. And as you can see, I've already turned off my authentication modes. And under devices right here, make sure that you log out all the devices that you have used. So just click on log out right here on all the devices that you are currently at. Now once you've done that, just go back to your Shopify store page, which is right here. And next, let's go to settings right here and go to billing. So if you have a payment method that you have registered, it is visible right here, and for now I don't have a payment method added to my account. Next, let's go to payments. So right here you can select a payment provider, you can choose a payment method, or you can actually add a manual payment method. Now with that being said, let's go to plan right here, and this is where you will be deactivating your subscriptions. So for now, I'm on trial, so I'm just gonna click on deactivate trial right here. So cancel subscription and deactivate store, so I'm just gonna continue. And now, what is the main reason you are closing the store? Just choose a reason that you want. And once you've done that, just click on continue. So after you deactivate your store, you will no longer have access to Shopify admin, including your sales, data reports, or product and customer information. If you decide to give this another try, we'll retain this information so you can kickstart your store again. So if you want to continue with the deactivation process, just click on that right here. Just click on deactivate now. And after that, Shopify will say that your store is now deactivated. Thank you for using Shopify. So your store information will be stored for 2 years. Now, if you want to reopen your Shopify store, just click on reopen your store right here to start selling again, and you need to pick another plan. Or you can just view your past bills, so you can view and download all your past bills without having to reopen your store. And that's it. So that's it for this video, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give this a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell for more videos like this. Bye!